Hello student. We think getting a good score is NATA is easy, and that's our team has proved it. We would really proud for all of our students. Let's move and see in this video we gonna talk, do you know question number 2nd, 3rd and 4th in part A having more than 4 answers correct? Well, so in this video we will discuss in a detail about the analysis of your entrance exam, strategy and planning for next exam, as well as how to score better, and that's very easily. So we're gonna discuss in detail about all this. This is Krishna and Singh, your coach, mentor, guide. So I will start with the mock test and the class plan which Ignite India having right now. From 6 and 7, these 2 days we are taking admission for 5 days class, where you will get the part A complete classes. So you will have multiple class for part A, you will have class for part B, you will have mock which is from since morning you can attend, and if you want you can access the all material which is respectively needed for your part A exam, and that is updated one. Well, if however you want to join the free or paid course, the both are there. Students, though they are having a difficulty to find the code and how to access, you go sometime and see, oh yeah, I cannot see any test and material. You keep saying there is all test and material are there, but that is there in respective group and batches, as well as our all tests are live. So exactly on that time you need to go and you have to be in that particular batch where you can access the test. So now I will say, you still having any confusion? The best solution is you need to go and follow Ignite India Instagram page, where the moment you will type, you will message, our team will give you the batch code. Second thing, there we keep updating the all information. So you do not need to call and message us, you will get all your information on Ignite India. So make sure you follow the Ignite India Instagram page, as well as the second most important thing is press the bell icon button of this channel, so that you will keep updating yourself with all these informative videos which gonna come in the series. We have started the counseling also. However, many of you want to know that okay, how this counseling are. So that is the Ignite team, they will suggest you, they will guide you, help you. So you need to register for that counseling. Now moving forward to those factors which will help you to score better in your entrance exam, that I will discuss. You know, part B, there was a 50 question, 45 minutes, you can easily score in this. But here also there are the way to solve and attempt the paper. So we will make the question, but you need to write here in the comment box, do you want to know, do you face the problem in this? So strategy class, if you want to know that and attend that classes, so our expert will take the class also, and that video will come here also in this current situation, how to handle this. Now moving forward to part A, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 has a major role in your marking, and this was the part only which was tricky in your entrance exam. Yes, I am right here, because the 17 marks question you may have appeared and you got worried about it, but the reality was there was a marking here in basis of the selection. That means you may get some marks. The partial marking system was there, which we have discussed earlier in our video. Partial mark, how this works? Maybe if 17 is the right answer, you are able to count the 17 phase, you will get full marks. If you are able to count and you have ticked the 12 as the right answer, you will get the partial marks. If you have just selected the 8, still you will get the partial mark in this condition. So this is unique, right? That's very easy to score in this particular portion. At least you will get some partial marks in this question if you don't confuse also while answering this question. Now question number 2nd, 3rd and 4th, that is very important to know here. If you will see, each question you are supposed to opt only 4 answers. You will say, oh, what is new in this? Yeah, there is a new and important. Please listen very carefully. Watch this video till the end so that you will get to know about all this. Well, so moving forward to this, here you are having 6 right answers rather than 4. Yes, and out of that, if you will select any 4, you will get full marks, 16 out of 16. That was. So if you are confused, you are not agreeing and you have a doubt in this, please go and check your response sheet. You will get to know about this. Now, I would like to say how to attempt them. There are 16 options, divide into 4, 5, 6 category. pick those 6 words. Like what is the category meaning is, suppose if I am happy, so happy, celebration, all this word will come in the same category. Like suppose reliance, trust, faith, all this in same category. So any one is the right answer. So like this, the words you divide into the, like suppose how we divide the product in the category. So okay, these are the product which is tea, these are coffee, these are like other soft drinks. So in drink also we divide in categories. So here the word based on the emotion, all 16 words you divide into 5 different category. Pick the 5 words, 6 words you think which is correct. Maybe all 6 are correct, because that's how the thing is, and out of that the 4 you filter and tick, you will get 16 out of 16. So today's video is the great mantra to secure at least 48 marks in out of this 3 question and 17 marks in first question, or maybe 12 or 15, whatever. So this huge mark you will get easily without taking any tension and worry. Is just you need to follow this step. If you have any doubt, please go and check your response sheet. You will get to know about all this in detail. Still you have a doubt, make sure you write in the comment box, contact us. We will help you to know in much better way. How was this information? Make sure that also you write in the comment box and let us know that is that helpful for you or not. Now the another section and part of this video, question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in part A. You have only one right answer. Here you use the elimination method. Always out of 4, maybe the 2 you have a doubt, 2 easily you can eliminate. So make sure eliminate that 2 first, and after eliminating those 2, out of 2, if you have a confusion also, go with the most closest answer which you think. Chances are here probability maybe 70, 80, or if you would ask me 90% plus you will be right. And solving this all problem, if you have any doubt and confusion and you think okay, no, you need to practice such question, make sure you contact Ignite India. We are having similar live test on Ignite India app. You can attend the in number of the test. You can attend the live discussion classes with our experts, and as well as entire strategy class which I have already discussed, though we have 5 days session. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you contact, join us and score better and score whatever dream score you want and dream college you want to get in. Thank you so much for watching this video.